Hello, I'm Kate. I'm a jewellery designer and I also like dressing up. So today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crown and a brilliant rosette for you to wear. Hello. In this week's art kit, you will need a piece of coloured card. This will become your crown. 4 pieces of patterned and fluorescent card, which you will turn into our rosette. 2 pieces of metallic card and 5 glittery star stickers to decorate our crown and rosette. Some double-sided sticky tabs to stick our rosette together. A template with some lovely shapes that you can use to trace and cut out shapes from your gold card. And a piece of string to attach your rosette to so you can wear it with pride. In addition to this, you will need a pair of scissors to cut out your shapes, a pencil for drawing around your stencils, and some glue for attaching your decorations. First up, we are going to be making our rosette. For this, you will need your 4 pieces of patterned and fluorescent card. We are going to fold all 4 pieces of card back and forth into what is called an accordion fold. That looks like this. This is how you do the accordion fold. Fold your piece of paper back and forth, trying to make it as neat and even as possible. Until you get to the end and you end up with 3 little ridges. Once all 4 pieces are folded into a zigzag, like that, we are going to fold them in half again to make this little fan shape, just like this. Next, we're going to take some glue and we are going to glue down the sides, insides of each of the fan shapes. We're going to pinch them together. So you have a full fan. Once you have formed your full fans, we're going to take each piece and place it in the shape of our rosette. Taking 4 pieces of the sticky tab, we're going to place a piece on each side, sticky side down, on one side of each fan. Just like so. You need to make sure that each piece doesn't line up with another piece on the other side. Next, we're going to remove the piece of tape to reveal the other side of the sticky piece of tab. We're just going to use that sticky tab to stick one piece of rosette to the other. We're going to do this with all pieces, pinching them together as you go until we get to the final piece. And we're going to stick it in around to form your rosette. For now, we're going to put our rosette to the side whilst we concentrate on making the base of our crown. We will come back to this and decorate it in a minute. Now, we are going to make the base of our crown. Using your long piece of coloured card, you can either sketch out using a pencil some little triangles along one side, or you can just take your scissors and go straight in and cut them out like this. Being very careful with those scissors. Once you have cut out all of your triangles, we're going to put a little bit of glue down one side, just at the very edge of our crown. Next, we are going to fold the crown, not fold, but pull it into a circle, and as neatly as possible, trying if you can to line up these outer triangles like that. Bring it into a round so it sits nicely on top of your head. Now for the really fun part, decorating. First of all, we're going to decorate our rosette. Take one piece of your gold card, your template, and find the circle that says middle of your medal. We're going to use that circle, we're going to put it as close to one of the edges of the gold card, both edges, the top and the bottom, you can just feel the edge there, as possible. We're going to use a pencil and we're going to draw around our circle, pressing as hard as possible. When you remove the stencil, you will see that you have made a little mark in the card. This will show you where to start cutting. Take your scissors and your card and very carefully cut around the edge of the mark that you've made on your card. Once you have cut out your circle, this is going to be the middle piece of your rosette. Take your last piece of sticky tape, place it on the back of your gold circle, remove the piece of tape to reveal the other sticky side, and we're going to stick that right in the middle of our rosette. Next, you can take one of your glittery star stickers, whichever colour you like. I'm going to go for the yellow. I'm going to remove the sticky tab to reveal the sticky bit, sorry. You're going to stick that right in the middle. Next, we're going to take our piece of string. You might need an adult to help you with this, but we're going to tie a knot in the two ends so you make a loop like that. And to finish off our rosette, you're going to turn it over, take the end with the knot, add a tiny bit of sticky tape over that knot, and you're going to find a little ridge just inside. Maybe you could line it up with your star. One of these little folds, and you're going to place the knot and the tape and stick it all down securely. Now you have your finished rosette that you can wear with pride. Now we're going to decorate our crown. We're going to take the gold card, both pieces. We're going to take our template and a pencil. And we're going to do the same thing that we did with the circle, but we're going to use some of the patterns. I'm going to go with a star. I'm going to use the same piece of card that I used to cut out my circle from the rosette so I don't have any wastage. I'm going to press down on the lines with my pencil as hard as possible so that I get that nice shape of a star. Now I'm going to cut that out. Once I have carefully cut that out using my scissors, I'm going to put some glue on the back. And I'm going to stick it on my crown. Just like that. I'm going to do the same again, but I'm going to use some different shapes this time. I decided to go with a moon and a heart. And I'm going to do the same as I did with the star. I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the middle. And I'm going to put my heart here, a little bit further away from the star. And then I'm going to put my moon around here. That way it goes all the way around. Now I'm going to take my glittery star stickers and I'm going to stick them in the spaces around my cutout shapes. And with my last star sticker, I'm going to stick that in the middle of my cutout star. And that's how you make your rosette and your crown.